Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Bose Frames audio sunglasses. Now you can pick these up from Bose.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $200. Now they're available in two different styles. You got Rondo and Alto. And let me show you the difference. Here's the Rondos. Now these have a smaller frame with a circular design. Here's the Altos, a bigger frame with more of a Blues Brothers style look to it. So basically, men buy the Altos, ladies buy the Rondos. Alright, so let's go through the features real quick. Open ear audio. So nothing going into your ears, all of the sound is coming directly from the sunglasses. They're made out of ultra modern materials. They're Bluetooth enabled, so this way you can pair them up to your phone, laptop, tablet, PC, whatever you got. Now you got UVA and UVB protection. Keep in mind, these are actual sunglasses. You get an integrated microphone for hands-free calling. You can also activate your Siri and Google Now. And you also have Bose AR enabled. And that feature isn't unlocked yet, but basically what that is, it's a new feature. It's audio AR, not visual. And let me give you an idea how that works. I seen a brief demo of this at CES. Say you was wearing your Bose frames and you walked into the Bose store and the AR was enabled. Say you looked at a Bose S1 speaker. You'd get a little alert and it'd say, oh, I see you looking at the Bose S1 speakers. The price on those is $500. Then you kept walking in the store. Maybe you looked at the Bose Soundwear without even touching them. Just by looking at them, you get a little alert and it'll say the Bose Soundwear is $300. Like I said, that feature's not unlocked yet, but it's coming soon. Let's see, anything else? Bluetooth range, 33 feet. Charge time. Now these take 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100, and you get 3.5 hours of streaming music. All right, so are these worth $200? Let's find out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes back in the building.
I love my white shoes.
White Shoes, calm down. All right, here we go. Bose frames. Now I went with the Alto style. Okay, $200. Nice looking presentation. Let's get into this real quick. No unboxing knife necessary. Here we go. Okay, nice black box. Giggity. Let's see what you get in here. Now, you know, Bose always has a nice presentation, and this ain't nothing different. Usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. That's it for that. Let's see. Okay. Now here's your sunglass case. Let me do the smell test on this. Whew. Smells very leatherish. Okay, a little Bose branding on it. Let's pop these open. Oh, look at this. This is real nice. Felt material on the inside. Here's your sunglasses. And here's a little case. Now let's see how we charge these up. Okay. Shoes, calm down. Now this is going to be your charging cradle / cable. Okay, let me get this plastic off. Okay, here's your little cradle right here, and USB-A. Let's see how to. Okay, now on the sunglasses, if you look on one side, you got your pins. So these are going to magnetize right to the sunglasses. Just plug these in and charge them up just like that. Let's see anything else. This is your multifunctional button. Okay, y'all heard that? It just said ready to connect. These are the speakers. All right, Shoes, back up a little bit, Shoes, please. All right, you see the speakers on the back. Okay, in the front. Shoes, scoot. Here's the frames from the front. Now you can see for yourself the level of tint, not the darkest in the world. You heard it say ready to connect. I like that. Let's see anything else. All right, that's pretty much it. Metal frames. Okay. No no nose guards to fall off, because you know those always fall off. Y'all want to see how they look? This is what they're going to look like when you're wearing them. Shoot, show them what they look like. That's what they're going to look like when you're wearing them. Now I'll show you a better picture. Scoot. All right, so basically, let me download the app. I'll pair these up and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I got these all paired up, so now let's test them out. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Once you power on the sunglasses, you're going to get a voice prompt telling you to download the Bose Connect app. Once you open that up, pair up the frames, Takes about a minute. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, the lenses are supposed to be shatterproof and scratch-proof. Now, if you look around the sides, there's only one button that you need to worry about. This is going to be your multifunctional button. So that's going to be play and pause, answer and end phone calls, activate your Google Now and Siri, and also skip tracks. Double tap it to skip tracks, hold it down, that's going to activate your Siri. Keep holding it down, that's how you power them off. Simple and straightforward. All right, so let's slap these on and do a little sound test. Now, I got the glasses on. Like I said, they're not tinted that dark, so you can easily wear these indoors without looking like a douchebag. First things first, let's try out the Siri. All right, so I'm going to hold down the multifunctional button and activate Siri. What's the weather for tomorrow?
Looks like it will be cloudy in New York tomorrow. The high will be 46 degrees, and the low will be 26.
All right, now I want y'all to listen for leakage. I heard it just fine. Not the loudest in the world, and I got these on max volume, but let's try them out. All right, so we got some Kanye West queued up. Here we go. La, 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 wait till I get my money right. Oh. All right, now I'm not going to sing. I'm going to just listen for a minute. Now, I don't know if y'all can hear this or not. Okay. Okay. Now, the music is crystal clear. Crystal clear. But literally no bass. None at all. Let's make sure I got max volume. That's max volume. Okay, let me try something different. All right, as of right now, I'm definitely not that impressed. All right, let's try a different song. Got some Soul Group Universe. Now this has a heavy bass line, switching up. I'm gonna wait for that bass drop. And also, let me know if y'all can hear that. Y'all can hear the leakage. I'm not sitting too close to the mic. I'm sitting back in my chair like if I'm just working at my desk. Definitely crystal clear. Okay. Okay. All right. Now look, I got to say this. Y'all know I love Bose products. I never really had a Bose product that I didn't like. But these right here, for $200. For $200, I cannot give these the seal of approval. The sound quality on this, again, it's crystal clear, but there's literally no bass. None at all. Now, y'all remember I did the Trek, those bone conducting, not you can't really call them headphones. Well, you could call them headphones. The Trek bone conductors, where they rest on your temples. Sounds similar to this, but they vibrate. So when you're hearing that bass drop on your song, you get a little vibration. It just makes it seem louder than what it is. It might be the same exact volume level, but these right here, the sound is very thin. All right, it's a tiny, thin sound, but it's crystal clear. Now, I'm sitting here in complete silence. If I was to go outside, I probably wouldn't be able to hear this music. Honestly. Now, I got to keep it real with y'all. All right, I tried to go into these with an open mind, but last week I was in California. Shout out to my man Edabon, the Nigerian nightmare, all right, the Somalian soldier. I bumped into him at the Sony event, and he was wearing these. Now, normally I do not like to try out products before I do my review because I want to go into it with an open mind. We were sitting in the big hall, and he just walked up to me. He said, "Yo, Floss, try these out." I didn't know what they was. I just put them on. And then when I seen him pull out his phone, I said, "Oh, wait, these are the Bose frames. I just ordered them, but it was too late. He already started playing music." Now, here's the thing. We were sitting in the big hall. There was maybe about 50 other people. Everybody was talking. They had a video playing on the screen at the same time. I could barely hear these. I could barely hear them. I was mashing the max volume button. Could barely hear them. So I said, you know what? When I get mine, I'll do a separate video, and I'll try to go into it with an open mind and sit in a silent environment. So if your job is just as quiet as it is in here right now, these might be cool. All right, they might be cool. But if you buying these expecting some Bose sound, all right, some loud Bose sound, some Bose bass, you're gonna be very disappointed. Very disappointed. And here's the thing. These are the Bose
Alto.
I just ordered these. Is it too late for me to get my money back?
It's supposed to allow you to listen, so you can hear me quite well and still listen to the music. Though.
You ever use the Bose, the ones that go around the neck?
Yeah, I've used those.
Now those, I'm impressed with. These,
But those to me too loud. They're too loud.
they're too loud. I wear them under my shirt and troll everybody in a restaurant.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, so let me see. These might be good. Maybe it's a lot of noise in here right now.
Yeah.
Maybe in a real quiet place, if I was at work, type in this might be the right. Oh, low battery. Okay, I got that bass drop. I would have to hear these in a real solid, quiet environment, but right now I am not impressed. For the price, for 200, you paid 200?
Yeah, 200.
Yeah, $200. I can't co-sign these right now.
But he does look good on this camera, though.
Disappointed. And here's the thing. My favorite product of 2018 is made by Bose, the Bose Soundwear. Here's my advice to you. All right, if you want to get something that doesn't go in your ears, you want to get a set of frames or some bone conducting headphones, whatever you want. You want to get something that doesn't go in your ears. All right, so you can listen at work and still hear your surroundings. Spend the extra $100 and get the Bose Soundwear. These things will blow you away. This is my favorite product of 2018, and as of right now, still my favorite product to date. I do not go out my house without these on, and when I'm sitting at my desk, these gonna sound like you got two JBL Extremes resting on each one of your shoulders. Now the leakage on these is ridiculous. So back to the Bose frames. Why would you buy these? If you say, I know, I'm thinking of a good reason. Why would you buy these? If you work in an office somewhere, maybe a cubicle situation, and somebody's right in the next cubicle, and you want to work all day and listen to music, yeah, these might be cool. But here's the thing. You're only getting 3.5 hours worth of battery. So this is not going to last you for an 8-hour day. You can't just rock these all day at work. These might be good for your commute. But once you get outside and you get around that outside noise, the sound on these is going to disappear. Now, you might want to buy these for headphones. All right, hold up.
I love my white shoes. I love
White shoes.
my white shoes.
Calm down. You might want to buy these for talking on the phone. So let's try that out. All right, so let's do the phone call test. Call USA Diner. Okay, let's get max volume. Okay, sound playing out of both ears. Or above both ears. Both, not both, both. Yes, how you doing? What time you guys close tonight?
Open 24 hours.
Oh, 24 hours.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot.
Never close.
Oh, you never close.
Never close.
All right, perfect. Thanks a lot.
I don't put it locks on the door, you know?
Oh, you don't lock the door ever? All right, cool. All right, I appreciate that.
All right, bro.
All right, thanks a lot.
All right, man.
All right, said call ended. I think he recognized me. He said we never put locks on the door, bro. But he was nice about it. All right, so for phone calls, this is nice though. All right, I got to keep it real. For phone calls, that was nice. It didn't sound like I was reaching my voice. I wasn't yelling. I was just talking normal. And the thing is, when you're wearing them, they are lightweight and comfortable. So it's almost like you forget you got them on. All right, cool. So let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. I would buy these definitely for talking on the phone, but for music. Let me play a song real quick. I'll put it next to the mic so just so you can hear how teeny it is. Let me pull up a song that has a lot of bass, another soul group song. Let's do Purchase Your Tracks. All right, so I'm going to play Purchase Your Tracks. Max volume. Check this out. Now I'm going to put it right next to the mic.
I can create you in my own image and likeness if you let me.
Now this song has one of the heavy bass lines. Let me put them back on one more time. Yeah, I'm not blown away. I'm not blown away. All right, let me wait for this bass drop right here. Now, this is the bass drop of all bass drops. Here we go. Yeah, nah, I'm convinced. I'm convinced. If you're listening to the best of Beethoven or Mozart's greatest hits, and you just want that crystal clear sound, these might be good. But if you're listening to anything hip hop, anything R&B, EDM, disco, where you want to feel some bass, you're going to be disappointed. Trust me. $200, these might be a novelty item. If you got disposable income, then do your thing. But again, let's see. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give y'all a real number for 2019. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give these a 6. All right, the battery life is not impressive. The best thing about these was the call quality. That was nice. But I don't know, man. I'm not sold on these. What y'all think? Hit me up in the comments and let me know what y'all want to see. But again, I'm just so disappointed in these. And if you watch Edabon's video, I bought at work, you're gonna see my live reaction when he gave me these to try out. I was totally underwhelmed. But I said I'm gonna be fair. I'm gonna go into it with an open mind and try it in a solid, quiet environment. And I'm still underwhelmed. They look nice. They feel nice. Shatterproof, scratchproof. That sounds good. Not sold though. Anyway, these are the Bose frames. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. All right, so one more thing I wanted to say. Now, it's 2019. Another one of my New Year's resolutions is I'm not pulling no punches. Y'all come to my channel expecting to hear the truth. Here's the truth. The Bose frames are not worth $200. Now, if I paid $100, okay, cool. It's a nice novelty item. It's new tech. I'm fine with that. But for $200, it's a no for me, dog. The battery life is trash. 2.5 hours on a single charge, that's garbage. And once the sunglasses die, you can't even plug them in with a regular cable. You got to walk around with this charging cradle. If you leave this home or you lose it, you assed out. The phone calls did sound good, but the sound quality for music is garbage. It's just straight trash. It's thin, it's tiny, and it's no bass. No bass for $200. That's a major no. If you're looking for wearable tech, my advice would be spend the extra $100 and get the Bose Soundwear. These sound 1,000 times better, and you're going to get your money's worth. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. All right, Shoes, I see you just want some love, so let me give you some love. Okay, there you go. You gonna let me finish this video in peace or what? Okay, you good? You good? All right, scoot, scoot.